Idioms and casual phrases commonly used. Idioms and other common phrases used in everyday conversation can leave you confused. We're going to learn what these crazy phrases really mean. I'm going to help you right now. Let's get started. Actions speak louder than words. The things that you do tell people more than the words that you say. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. Time apart makes you miss each other and appreciate each other more. Ace in the hole. This means you have some surprise information that is a secret. A dime a dozen. Something is inexpensive or cheap, or you have a surplus of these items. Add insult to injury. To hurt someone when they are already hurting. Air your dirty laundry. To tell your negative personal business publicly. Act out or act up. This is unacceptable behaviors or to misbehave. A freak accident. It's an unreal or bizarre accident. All decked out. This is dressed up very nicely or something is decorated really nicely. All shook up. This means emotionally unstable or agitated. All walks of life. This is people from a large variety of races, religions, socioeconomic groups, genders, and more. The call of nature. This means needing to go to the bathroom or to the toilet. Apple of my eye. This is someone or something that is adored. Ask for the moon. Asking for something that seems impossible or highly unlikely. At each other's throat. This means arguing with someone else. At the 11th hour. At the last possible time to complete something. Avoid it or someone like the plague. This means stay away from something or someone to keep from having a negative experience. An axe to grind. This is to be mad at someone and wanting to confront them. AWOL, absent without leave. This just means being absent without permission. On the tip of my tongue. This is ready to speak about something, but you can't remember what you were just going to say. Back in the saddle. This is getting back into your routine. Bag of bones. This is a very thin person or animal. Backseat driver. This is someone that is trying to take the lead and it is not their turn or giving advice that was not asked for. Back to square one. Restart from the beginning again. Back to the basics. Simplifying things. Shoot the breeze. To have a casual conversation with someone that you know. Don't cry over spilt milk. Don't worry about some small accident or incident. Spill the beans. This means tell me more details, usually in a gossip situation. Sounds like a broken record. This is someone that is repeating themselves just over and over. Bite the bullet. And you must get past the hard parts of something and just press forward. Bummer. This is something that is unfortunate. Nailed it. You did something perfectly. The cat's out of the bag. A secret has been revealed. Behind the eight ball. You're in a stressful situation and you need to make an important decision quickly. It costs an arm and a leg. It is very expensive. Going cold turkey. You quit something immediately and abruptly. Great job. I hope that this helps you understand the meaning behind these phrases. I will be making a series of videos on idioms because there are so many of them. So thank you for joining me today. Please watch my other videos and share them with your family and friends. Bye for now.